All right, so if you quickly check here, you will see the date. This is happening today, right? 25, you can see that 25th of February. And when you look at how much I received in commissions, $1,000, guys. Can you see that? So, so this is exciting, right? So that is evidence that when you have an online business, you can actually make consistent income online. Okay, so look at how much I was able to make with this, with my online business. I got a commission payment of $1,000 today. You can see that paid straight to my Wise account. All right now, and that is not all the commissions I've been receiving. I think yesterday I showed you $500, and I've also been receiving other commissions. Let me quickly show you one of those commissions here. Let's quickly look at this. Let it load. Just be patient with the internet. Can you see that? $421 in commission. Look at that. That's amazing. Paid straight to my Wise account. Let me show you another one. This is a $1,027 commission paid to my Wise account. Let's check some more. Look at another one here. This is a $1,508 commission paid to my Wise account. This is a $1,004 in commission paid to my Wise account. Let's check some more. This is a $424 commission, $360 commission. Then you have all these PayPal payments of $359, $317, $366. Then you have the bigger ones coming in like this $600 commission paid to my PayPal account. Look at another one, $621 commission paid to my PayPal account. Let's check some more. This is a $300 commission paid to my PayPal account. Then you have a $2,096 commission paid to my Wise account. Is that not incredible? Let's check more. This is a $242 commission paid to my PayPal account. This is a $290 commission paid to my PayPal account. This is a $303 commission paid to my Wise account. This is a $234 commission paid to my PayPal account. Look, I can just keep on going on and on and on, right? This is a $543 commission paid to my Wise account. Now, that tells you that running an online business is a very profitable thing. And that's why I highly recommend that you get started today, right, with an online business. Now, let me introduce you to an online business that is very affordable and easy for everybody. All right, let's quickly check it out here. So this online business is called the one-page funnel system. All right, now why is this superb for beginners and for anybody out there, right? Because it only costs you $7, one-time payment, no monthly fees, for you to have access to this system. All right, just $7. And with that $7, you could earn commissions from as low as $5 to as high as $1,000, right? And I'm going to tell you how that is possible, right? So let me quickly show you some few people that have made good money with the one-page funnel system. Let's quickly look at this. Just wait for it to load. All right, now look at Jenna Maria. She made $2,844 with a $7 system, guys. That's powerful, right? Let's check another person. This is Rebecca Fraser, and she made how much? $1,000 with a $7 system. Let's check another person. This is Mr. Jeremy, and you can see how much Mr. Jeremy made. $1,166 from a $7 system. Okay, let's check another person, and this is Hansi. Hansi got a high ticket commission of $1,200, guys. Can you imagine that, from a $7 system? Let's check another person, and this is Mitch. Mitch made over $3,000 in just 2 weeks. In just 2 weeks, with a one-page funnel system. So already you can see that there is evidence that this system can make you thousands of dollars, even though it only costs $7 one time for you to register and be a member of the one-page funnel system. All right. So the question is this, Victor, what is this one-page funnel system? So let me quickly show you that. All right. So now the one-page funnel system is a $7 done for you CPA marketing system. So you'll be asking the question, what is a CPA marketing system? Because it's the only time you appreciate why this system is powerful is when you understand what CPA means. Now, CPA marketing, or what you call cost per action marketing, is a performance-based advertising model where a business pay you, the affiliate, for a specific customer action. Okay. Now, there are other platforms like a CPA platform. We have platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. All these platforms are similar to a CPA platform because you don't have to buy anything, right? All you do, you just get your link and start sharing your link. By sharing your link, you are going to bring a lot of visitors to this website and then get these businesses customers. Now, if any of those visitors that you introduce to this CPA platform decide to buy any of the products, then you will earn a commission. It's just as simple as that, right? So you can earn low ticket commission, medium ticket commission, or even high ticket commissions. Like I told you, you could earn commissions from $5 to as high as $1,000. It's powerful like that. And look, with this system, everything is done for you. The only thing you need to do is get your link and share your link on social media, right? Now, when I say everything is done for you, I mean all the follow-ups, right? So you don't have to do any follow-up at all. All the follow-ups are done for you. It's powerful, right? So all the emails are going to be sent out for you. So you don't need an autoresponder. You don't need to know how to send out emails. You don't need that. All you do, get your link, share your link, drive as many visitors to your link. That's all. The system takes over. All right. Now let's talk about commissions, right? How you earn commissions, right? So the average commission is 50%, okay? But if you want to earn up to 70% at every level, so you will need to get the profit boosters. Now let's go back here, and I want to show you something. Now let's go to frequently asked questions. Now look at this system. Let's look at this. How will I get paid? So the one page funnel system pays twice a month, the first of each month and the 16th of each month. Can you see that? So as long as you have a minimum balance of $30, you will be paid through Wise, bank transfer, or PayPal. Okay. Now, if you decide to have the profit booster, now this is how the profit booster work. If you upgrade to profit booster, then your commission will be bumped up to 70%, plus you will get another 10% tier 2 commissions. Okay, tier 2 commission simply means that when you introduce somebody to the one page funnel system, if they go and promote and they get a sale, you will make 10% commission without doing anything. Okay, but generally with the profit booster, you will get 70% commission. So I highly recommend that you get the profit boosters. All you need to do when you come to your course section, just come. Once you come to that system overview, can you see what I'm showing you? You see the system overview. Okay, so this is where you start your training, right? Once you get started, so just scroll down till you get here to where it says 10 times your profit with profit boosters. So you can quickly click this link and upgrade so that you will be able to earn 70% all round. All right, so I hope this explanation is simple. Now if you want to get started with the one page funnel system, just go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the one page funnel system. Okay, so go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now when you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Okay, now all you need to do, just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says yes, give me access. Click that yellow button, pay your $7. Okay, and if you want to earn up to 70% commissions, then get the profit boosters. All right, that is just it. Now if you have any question concerning this system, please leave it in the comment below. Okay, and then I will respond to the questions. All right, otherwise, if you like this video, click the like button, also the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.